One sunny morning in Lullaby Lane, Panda went for a walk again, down the path to Farmer Brown's farm. Everything looked peaceful and calm, but then Panda stopped and stared. Where are all the animals? The farm is bare. The barn is empty, the field is still. No sound from the pond, no sound from the hill. No mooing cow, no clucking hen.
Where did all the animals go?
And when?
Panda called for Teddy Bear.
Come quickly, Teddy.
The farm is bare. Teddy Owl and Kitten came to see.
Oh my goodness, where could they be?
Where are all the animals? Where, oh where can they be? The cow, the pig, the horse and sheep. Won't someone help us please? We'll search the barn and search the field. We'll search the pond and search the hill. Where are all the animals? We're looking for them still.
Kitten checked behind the hay.
Nothing here, she had to say.
Owl looked up in the old oak tree.
I see no animals, just leaves and me.
Teddy searched beside the lake.
Could they be hiding for goodness sake?
Panda peeked inside the shed
and found a pile of straw instead. The animals have disappeared. This is stranger than we feared.
Then Owl heard something far away, a distant sound across the bay. Listen!
Can you hear that sound? They all stood still and looked around.
Something moved behind the gate.
A shadow, then a sound so great.
Was it the animals? Could it be?
Quick, everyone, come follow me.
Call and response.
Owl said,
let's use animal sounds to call them home.
If you hear a moo,
the cow is near.
moo!
Did you hear that?
Was it here? If you hear an OINK, the pig is close.
That's the sound we love the most.
If you hear a neigh, the horse is near.
The animals are here. Children, can you help us call?
Make the sounds.
Help find them all.
Could the sounds bring them back?
Where are all the animals?
Wait, we hear them now.
Something's moving in the meadow.
Could it be the cow?
We're getting closer, getting warm. The mystery of the missing farm. Where are all the animals?
Find out in part 2.
There they are.
But oh no, they're all mixed up.
What happened here?
Last time the animals disappeared, the farm was empty, that's what we feared. But now we found them, can you believe? They're all mixed up, oh what a weave. The cow is in the duck pond, splash! The duck is in the barn, what a clash! The horse is sitting in the pig pen, nay!
That's not right.
We had to say the pig is up the old oak tree. How did you get up there?
By Teddy.
The sheep is swimming in the lake. Ah!
Sheep don't swim.
Said Panda. The hen is hiding in the hay. Cluck, cluck, cluck. What a funny day.
Everything is wrong and upside down. The silliest farm in all of town. Moo ba quack, what a day. All the animals went the wrong way. Neigh and oink and cluck, cluck, cluck. Everything is stuck. Moo ba quack, can you help? Every animal needs to go back. Neigh and oink and cluck, cluck, cluck.
Let's fix all this muck.
Moo ba quack, what a day. All the animals went the wrong way. Neigh and oink and cluck, cluck, cluck. Everything is stuck. Moo ba quack, can you help? Every animal needs to go back. Neigh and oink and cluck, cluck, cluck.
Let's fix all this muck. Owl made a plan upon his clipboard neat.
Each animal needs its own right seat.
The cow goes back to the grassy field. To the pond, the duck, our plan revealed. Kitten gently led the sheep from the lake. Come along, dear sheep.
For goodness sake.
Teddy helped the horse climb out the pen.
Panda found a ladder.
Up went the hen.
But just as things were going right,
the pig fell down.
what a sight.
Owl called the children.
We need your help today.
When I point to an animal.
You make it sound.
Okay.
Cow goes to the field.
Duck goes to the pond.
Horse goes to the stable.
Pig goes goes to the pig pen.
Sheep goes to the meadow.
Hen goes to the hen house.
Now faster!
Can you keep up? Again!
Faster!
You did it! The animals are going home!
Moo ba quack, almost there. Every animal in its place with care. Neigh and oink and cluck, cluck, cluck. We're changing all the luck.
The cow is in the field, the duck is in the pond, the horse is in the stable, the pig is finally back.
Almost done, nearly right.
Everything was looking bright. But wait, where is the little lamb? One animal still needs a hand. Oh no, where is the baby lamb? Find out in part 3!
Moo ba quack, what today? All the animals went the wrong way. Neigh and oink and cluck, cluck, cluck. Everything is stuck. Moo ba quack.
Can you help?
All the animals are back in place. Every animal found its rightful space. The cow in the field, moo. The duck in the pond, quack. But one little lamb is still not back. Where is the baby lamb? Oh, where? Kitten tiptoed through the morning dew. Little lamb, where are you? Panda searched behind the old stone wall. Little lamb, please give us a call. Teddy looked beneath the apple tree. Little lamb, come out for me. Owl listened with his sharpest ear. Wait, I think I hear something near. Softly, softly, listening still, a tiny sound behind the hill. Baba, so small and sweet, little woolly stumbling feet. There she was, the baby lamb, curled up sleeping, sweet as jam. She wasn't lost, just taking a rest, tucked up cozy in her grassy nest. Friends on the farm, everyone's home. No more animals left to roam. Moo and quack and neigh and baa, best of friends, near and far. Friends on the farm, hip hip hooray. What an adventurous, wonderful day. Every animal back in its place. Happy smiles on every face. Farmer Brown came out to see what happened here. Oh, goodness me. Teddy told the whole big story. Every moment, all its glory. Farmer Brown laughed with delight. You fixed the farm, you did it right. Teddy, Panda, Owl, and Kitten too. I don't know what I'd do without you. They danced and sang till setting sun. The greatest farm adventure done! Now let's sing with all the farm. Every animal, raise the alarm. Cow says, moo. Duck says, horse says, pig says, sheep says, hen says, little lamb says, ah. All together, one last time. Every animal, every rhyme. Friends on the farm forever. Teddy, Panda, Kitten, and Owl wave goodbye under the warm and golden sky. We'll come back to the farm someday for more adventures. Hip hooray! Wonder song tales, see you soon under the bright and shining moon. Thank you, friends, couldn't have done it without you.